Hey guys, I thought I'd get on here and just check on you and see how you're doing today. I hope you're all having a great day. I was thinking this morning, as we get older, we have a lot of friends that are older as well, and this has happened to me, and I'm sure it's happened to you too. If you see an acquaintance, a friend, a family member that's wearing something that might have a spot on it or might be um, not in their best light, like they always were prim and proper and always looked nice and made sure everything was pressed and made sure there was no spots and everything. As people get older, their eyesight gets worse, and if they've not had any kind of cataract surgery, anything corrective lens, things like that, or they get forgetful and forget to check things and make sure they don't wear the same thing over and over and over, uh, check on them and see. Why I'm saying that, I was at an event, and this lady that I've known for a very long time and just love her dearly, um, she had a stain on her, and I could tell it'd been there probably, maybe a while. Maybe she never checked it when she after her clothes got done, and she's got a vision problem. And I told her, I said, you got a little spot on the back, just in case you don't know that next time you send it. I just want to let you know that. I know you'd want to know. She was so appreciative, and I did it in a nice way, of course, and didn't say, if it's your mom or your dad or your sister or brother or someone like that, say, you got something all over you. Don't do that. Just be kind and like, you have this a little spot right here or whatever. As people get older, you want them to live with the still the way they were, even if they have a memory problem or they've got a problem with thinking about, getting their clothes on right and all that good stuff. But help take care of them. It's so very, very important with the elderly. And I think that they would want that. If they even if they're going through dementia or Alzheimer's, they do not want to go. Okay, let me mention this. I have been into assisted livings, and I've gone to visit people, and I noticed that the front of them might have food on them, or they may have something on their sleeve, and that person that comes to visit, that person that's around them, should always take care of them. Make sure they have clean clothes on. They don't wear the same thing. Because, when they get to a point, sometimes with dementia or Alzheimer's, they don't want to change clothes. Nope, don't want to change it. Nope, I'm fine. I changed already. But just do it in a sweet, kind way. And just, let's wear this. Let's wear the same color today. Or let's wear a pink. Or let's wear. That day is pink day. Let's wear pink. It's ways of doing things without getting on them or getting after them, especially when they're losing their memory, when they're losing their vision. Be kind. Be kind to older people. Remember the saying, once a man, twice a child. Once a man, twice a child. So you're going to have to take care of that person and love them and just, love them unconditionally. Don't get after them. Just love them. You got a little spot there. I love you guys. I hope you have a great day, a happy day. Be kind. Be kinder than they are. And don't forget to give a smile. If you do, you might get one back. And I love you. Until tomorrow.